Good morning, sunshine. A brand new day is here. But wait, how do you start a day? Let's find out how Mia gets ready for an amazing morning.
Just 5 more minutes.
Hee hee. Sound familiar? Do you hit the snooze button too? Well, let's see what happens if Mia gets up right away.
Okay. I'm up.
First things first, time to brush those pearly whites.
Hey kids. Brush your teeth for 2 whole minutes. And don't forget your tongue, it's ticklish.
I won't forget you, Toothy.
Cold water wakes you up and makes you feel fresh.
Much better. Done.
Now, here's a secret superpower. Making your bed. It makes your room neat and your mind happy.
Done. I feel like a superhero already.
And now, breakfast time. What's on Mia's plate today?
Yum. I love strawberries.
A healthy breakfast gives you the energy to jump, run, and learn. What's your favorite breakfast? Before heading out, let's stretch a little. Moving your body wakes it up and makes you strong.
Hoo-hoo. Good morning. Did you know just 5 minutes of stretching makes you feel like a superhero?
Really? Then let's stretch together.
Let's check the bag. Books, lunchbox, water bottle.
Check, and check.
Always be ready for the day. It makes you feel calm and cool. And don't forget to smile. A big, bright smile is the best way to start your day.
Good morning.
Good morning, Leo. Let's race to the bus stop.
So, what did we learn today, kids? Wake up on time, brush your teeth, and wash your face. Make your bed, eat a healthy breakfast, stretch a little, pack your things, and wear your biggest smile.
Good
Good morning, world.
Did you like our morning routine? Tell us your favorite morning habit in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories on MNM channel. Bye-bye.